Brazil in 180 seconds. Brought to you by factfish.com. When you hear the word Brazil, you might think Copacabana Beach, the Amazon rainforest, or World Cup 2014. But did you know that it is the third largest producer of renewable energy in the world? At almost 437 billion kilowatt hours of electricity annually from non-carbon-based fuel sources. As the fifth largest country in the world, with an area of 8,514,880 square kilometers and a population density of only 22.9 people per square kilometer, most of who are in the major cities, like the 20.5 million who call Sao Paulo home, the majority of Brazil is a pretty empty place. So it's only practical to make the most of its abundant renewable resources, such as water, of which there is 8.23 million cubic kilometers of water available for use, the most of any country in the world, making hydroelectric the way to go. In fact, of its total electricity production, only 12.4% comes from coal, gas, or oil, making this South American country a green powerhouse. As the home of the Amazon River Basin and rainforest, Brazil is home to the second largest area of forest land in the world at 5,173,276 square kilometers, 16.2% of the world's total, and 61.2% of the country's total land area. But this number is down roughly 12% since 1990, coinciding with its 40% growth in cattle production, making it number one in the world. Of Brazil's 194.9 million people as of 2011, 21.4% live below the poverty line, ranking it 94th, wedging it right between Bulgaria at 21.8% and Spain at 21.1%. Yet its unemployment rate as of the end of 2012 was only 6.2%, putting it light years ahead of Zimbabwe's 95% unemployment. Brazil's economy seems to be on the right path, with the world's seventh highest gross domestic product, a nearly fourfold increase from the year 2000. Still, when you break it down, the per capita GDP was only $12,594. Not a huge sum, but still double what it was in 2006. At this rate, this South American powerhouse is set to jump past the UK and France to claim the fifth spot in the next few years. So, are you ready to learn Portuguese and make the move to Rio? Consider this first. The life expectancy in Brazil is only 72.2, ranking it 98th in the world. Its CO2 emissions is 17th in the world, and oil consumption is only 11th. Not bad for the fifth most populous country in the world. So there you have it, Brazil in 180 seconds. But I barely scratched the surface. If you want to know more, go to factfish.com for facts and trends fished from thousands of official and reliable sources from around the world, all in one place. Factfish.com. Research made simple.